Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you saw by the title of this video that I have a little announcement to make. I am Monday, like today's Friday, so Monday I am going to officially start my Gaming with Alana channel. Now I know some of you are probably like, I don't care about that, but hear me out. So one of my favorite subscribers or YouTubers is Fiber Spider, right? And he has a gaming channel, and I love crocheting and just listening to him play or listening to the story of the game that he's playing. And I'm super excited about it because not only am I going to have, new games, I'm also going to have like old games. So like Nintendo games, Super Nintendo games, Sega, Game Boy Advanced, all that kind of stuff. So I'm super excited about it, not only for me, but for you guys, because I want to give you content that you can listen to slash watch while you're crocheting to just break up that monotony of, crochet, right? Like you need a break. Not only do you want, you need a break from just nothing but, crocheting all the time. So I thought since I love to just listen to Fiber Spider game while I'm crocheting, I want to, he inspired me basically, and I want to do the same thing. I want to inspire you guys. Now, I'm trying to think of how to say this because I want you guys to give me a chance, right? Like, because I know some of you are probably thinking, oh, I don't care about games, yada, yada, right? But I'm telling you, some of the stories on these games are just phenomenal. They're phenomenal stories. Not only just me playing the game is what you're going to hear and see, but the storyline of the game. So like, for instance, Monday, I'm going to release my first video, which I think I'm just going to go ahead and release it now. And then in the description box, I'll put the link to the channel so then you guys can go on there and watch it. So basically so it's a love story-ish. There's some zombies, there's some violence, some cussing, and but it's a love story. I don't want to give it away too much, but so there's that. And then I'm gonna have another game going too that is it's a little cartoony Link. If you guys, I'm sure you guys, some of you may not know who that is, but he's a little cartoon guy named Link, and he's stinking adorable. And I do the little quests and everything, and then I read on there. But I don't know what that story is. I've never played this one yet, so I'm super excited about that. And like I said at the beginning, I just hope you guys can give me a chance and just stick with me. It's a learning process for me too, to learn, filming and playing. And the first couple of videos I do like up, see, is it mirrored? No, is it mirrored? I don't know. So up in this corner or this corner, one of the two, you will see like my little face in a square, and you can see my reactions to things. So, but that's only in a few of them. I actually stopped doing it because it's a bit of a pain in the butt to try to keep everything lined up and all that. But anyway, so there's that. And then I also want to say that I just lost my train of thought. So I am a scaredy cat, right? And I don't mean like I'm scared of things. I mean like I startle easily. So like, so here's a really good example. If we're in a restaurant and the waitress comes up behind me, or waiter, whatever, comes up behind me, and I don't know they're there, and they're like, they'll say, "How is everything?" It will scare me, and I jump, and it's like, I feel like a goofball. I mean, I don't intend to be that way, but anyway, so the reason I'm saying that is because there are parts in some of these videos that I do want to give you a bit of a warning. I kind of eek pretty loud, and I don't mean to. And then for instance, the main thing that I'm thinking about is like there's parts where I'm riding a motorcycle and a zombie will just like nosedive through the air and hit me off the bike, and it scares me, and Ah! So I do want to, say there are some parts that, it might be a little loud. I'm working on that. And then another instance I want to talk about is that the little Zelda game that I'm playing, it's Zelda Link's Awakening that I'm playing. I'm working out a couple not glitches. I'm working out a couple volume issues, so the game is loud and I'm somewhat loud. So, but I think I've got that worked out. So that's going to be an issue that I think I have fixed. But the first couple of videos, I'm learning what I'm doing, and then after that, it gets better and better, and I am so excited for you guys to see this. So, and what I plan on doing is releasing a video every day. Probably not Saturday and Sunday, just because I want a break in there, So you get me every day. What's better, right? I'm kidding. But yeah, so like I said, this is kind of like something I love, not only, because I love crocheting and yarn and crocheting anything, that makes me happy, but you guys get to see another aspect of me that I also like video games, because that's something I grew up with, right? Because, so here's a little story for you guys. When my twin sister and I were younger, my mom wasn't around. And we lived with my dad. Well, my dad worked over the road, so we lived with my dad's mom, my grandma. And eventually, it got to where my real mom, we could go see her. I'm trying to keep this very, I don't want to give too much info out, but we got to go see my mom. And one thing that we would always do with my mom every weekend that we were there, all weekend long, was play video games. We'd play Mario, we'd play Yoshi, Sonic, Vector Man, all kinds of things. And it was so important to me based off of what I said, because that was mom time, right? And so it's a huge part of my life, not only with my girls today, which one of them, Emma, she is not into video games. I kind of got her into Animal Crossing, but then she was kind of like, nah, I don't want to right now. Well, then the Jalen, she is a gamer like I was. She, if I get stuck on a part, and she's in some of these videos, you guys will be able to hear her. I don't think I ever let her get on camera. Maybe she's halfway on camera, but you will definitely hear her. I'll there's maybe a part or two where I'm like, Jalen, I cannot do this. Here, take this, do it for me, please. And she'll take my controller and blah, 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 done. It's like, thanks, sis. Because I like to, I'm pretty good at, shooting things and stuff like that, but sometimes she way outdoes her mom. But, so yeah, I mean, that's it. Like I said, if anything, if you don't even, just do not care about it, right? Just pop over there and just watch a little bit and see it. Just give it a chance is what I'm trying to say, basically. I just want you to give me a chance. I don't mean to keep saying that, but so I am really excited about it, and I hope you all are too. I do want to say, I meant to mention this at the beginning of the video, that I read over your guys' comments about me not feeling well. I am actually 100%, in case you couldn't tell. Blah, blah, blah. I feel so much better. I don't know what my deal was. I just felt blah. But I feel great now. So thank you for everybody for the well wishes for me to be feeling better. And yeah, so I'm going to put the link in the description box. Head over there, just check out the videos, see what you think, and we'll go from there. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Okay, so I'm going to get off here. Check out the description box. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't. Head over there and subscribe too. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.